Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this anime style picture from any picture in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. I just need to open a new page, go into the apps, opening this application called Animify, and choose a file. I just choose this file without the background. I just realized this application is working much better if we are downloading the picture without the background and using this. In this case, this application can more focusing on the character, and the end result will be much better. So just removing the background, increasing the size, and now already have this final result. As you can see, the final result is not the same as all the time. That's a AI generated picture, and every time has a bit different result. So if you don't like this result, just generate a new one, and maybe you have this results what you likes much better. So now this tutorial going to the end. Thanks for watching and see you in my next tutorial. Ciao.